Hello Internet, Rob from A Minor Error with kind of more of like a vlog style video compared to what I normally do. Today I'm super stoked because I'm going to do an unboxing on a Strandberg Bowden Original 7 with a Poplar Burl top. This is the one that's on Musician's Friend. I've kind of had my eye on this one for a while. Finally decided to pull the trigger. So I feel like a lot of people who come to my channel don't realize that I don't keep the guitars that I review on my channel. I'm trying to make my channel a reviewing guitar channel, as well as, you know, production tips and tricks, and kind of most importantly, at least to me personally, my original music. You know, I hope you guys listen to it. I see some very positive comments every once in a while, so I really appreciate the support. So that's what I'm trying to do. You know, those are the areas I'm trying to focus on. This guitar hopefully will be different. I am planning on keeping it if it's a good one. Like I've said in my other review videos, I have ran into a couple problems with the overall, really fretwork issues on different Indonesian-made Strandbergs, and specifically my metal that I still own. I mean, the fretwork is really bad on that one. The Prog 6 that I recently tested was pretty bad as well. So it all depends on if the fretwork's good or not, if I will keep it or not. So anyway, that's kind of the backstory for what's going on with this video and what's going on. Right now I'm in the process of finishing up a new EP. I also recently put out a single called 81 Years Past. I'll do the little link thing. Love it, again, if you went and checked out the original music. If you like the demos, you'll definitely like the original music because it's like the demos, but more thoroughly developed. I'm really excited because this makes the 10th guitar that I currently have in stock that I'm doing reviews for. I'm making a original Doom soundtrack cover album for my next like full-length record, and that's going to go along with the 10 reviews. That's basically going to be the musical content behind the videos. So I'm really excited about that, and I hope you guys like it as well. I sort of spent quarantine playing the original Doom games, and the biggest thing that stuck out to me is how much the games were still a ton of fun for one, but also just the music, the original soundtrack, I thought was really memorable, and it's going to be a lot of fun to do that. So enough of me blabbing, let's get into this unboxing.